Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Center, and today we have a Samsung Galaxy A52s that's not charging. So we're gonna replace the charging port this time. So let's get to it. So this smartphone is working, it's turning on, and it's also showing us the boot up sequence. And now we are in the main menu. So this is overall a good condition smartphone, but you have an error on the USB connector. Actually, Samsung devices are very smart when it detects moisture or damage on your Type-C port. It's gonna tell you about it. But the problem is with smartphones without wireless charging, you can't really recharge your device. So here, the client wants us to fix the broken charging port, the USB Type-C port, and there's no other way to do that but to replace it completely. You can still troubleshoot it and desolder the Type-C connector or the header part, but here in Sydney CBD Repair Center, it's better to replace the whole thing, including the board, so that it will be safer for the device. And David has access to high quality replacement parts such as this one. Now we can just detach it and then swap it out and test it. So it's gonna be a quick one this time. And David is a well-known Galaxy expert, so he's gonna perform the repair for us today. So this is the board for the Type-C charging. So just remove it and then replace it with the same component. You can see it's kind of fiddly when you just focusing on this part. And then we're gonna put the screws back in, so it's gonna be secured. And then we're gonna try to test it right away after we covered it up. So no need for us to remove the battery or to remove the display. We're just gonna... You can actually see how tight the new Type-C port is. And now you can see that the battery is receiving power from the Type-C port, which is what our aim is. Also, if you have a broken Type-C port or on your device and you are fond of transferring files, large files from your phone, between your phone and your computer, you can't also do that because Wi-Fi or even iPhone's AirDrop can be slow over the network. However, if you do it with a USB cable, it's gonna be a lot faster and more reliable. So I think this is good now. This A52s is gonna be working for many years to come, and we don't see the Type-C error message again. We don't really see it now. So but I think we have a problem. I think the signal for the SIM card is not really coming back on. I think David will have to figure it out. But our main concern is now fixed. All we need to do now is a few reboot on this A52s and it's gonna be golden. So if you want the same repair, guys, if you want to have your smartphone fixed, even if it's just a replacement battery or replacement charging port, we can do it here in the shop. And David here is our trusty Samsung Galaxy expert and who also do Apple devices and ROG phones. So if you want this kind of fix for a reasonable price, just head on to our shop, or you can mail in your broken smartphone and we'll fix it here and send it back to you through mail. We're gonna close up this device and we're done for the day. Don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. We'll see you again next time. Take care of yourself. Cheers!
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Center. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.